Hey everybody, welcome to the Let's Excel channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your home ribbon and have access to all the buttons you actually use. How many seconds are wasted every time you have to click onto another tab? How many different tabs do you click through during your day? Before I customized my ribbon, I was using the Home, Data, View, and Developer tab multiple times during the day. Now I hardly have to switch at all. First, take stock of the tabs and buttons that are your highest users. Maybe you're like me and use autofilter all the time, or maybe you do a lot with VBA. Whatever it is, make a list of your buttons and which tab they're on. Then right-click anywhere on your ribbon and click Customize Ribbon. In the window that appears, you'll see two sides. On the right side is where your ribbon is. On the left side is where all of the Excel buttons are. For this example, I'm going to make a data group of buttons that I commonly use from the Data tab. First, you'll need to create a new group on your Home tab. Start by selecting the Home tab group in the right side list. Then click New Group below the list. Then click Rename, and I'm going to name my group Data and click OK. Now I have an empty group in my Home tab. To add my most common Data tab buttons, I'm going to filter the left side for all the buttons that are on the default Data tab. Then I select my favorites and use the Add arrow in the middle to add them to my new data group. Once I have the ones I want added, I can reorder them using the up and down arrows to the right of my list. Before I click OK, I'm going to remove the default Styles group from my Home tab because I don't use those as much. I can do that by selecting the Styles group in the list on the right and using the Remove arrow in the middle to remove it from my personalized ribbon. Click OK, and you'll see that I have my new data group with my favorite buttons, and now no longer have the default Styles group. What do you think? Would this save you precious time during your day? What are your go-to buttons? Let us know in the comments below. If you got value out of this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this so I can help you work smarter, not harder.